In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing without creating any content. So you can make money like this one every single day as a passive income. I'm going to cover this video under 5 minutes so you can apply it every single day. First, pick an affiliate product that you are interested in, any affiliate product. In this case, I'm promoting this AI, which is called Yavis AI, where you can write a content using AI. Basically, you can write a blog post or YouTube script, YouTube title, YouTube description using this AI. I'm using it personally. I know about these tools, so I want to promote it to lots of people. All you have to do is you have to go to TikTok and find a creators already promoting this product. That you can see these are the people promoting Jarvis AI on TikTok. All you need is open any of those videos, copy this link, and you need to go to this website called tickmate.online to download that videos without watermark. Then you're going to use two other websites, like this one is called Instagram and this one is called Pinterest, to promote that videos. Now here that you can see, this is Instagram account is specifically created for that product. It is not your personal account. This is only for the product. Again, for the Pinterest that you can see here, this is only the Pinterest account is created for that particular product. It is not a personal Pinterest account. So if in case, if you get any copyright claims or reports, if you lose the account, it won't affect your personal account. That you can see on Pinterest, I suggest to upload the video as an Instagram Reels so you can get engagement like this one and this one. That you can see these two videos are getting viral, other videos if not, but again this video get views in the futures. And if you open this viral video, 22 likes, and if you open that another videos which is 70 likes, it's a completely new account, and I upload one video every single day on this account. Now you can see, again, I repeat the same thing with Pinterest, upload one video every day, and I upload the video as idea pin, which is similar to Instagram Reels or TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Pinterest promote this idea pin. You will get lots of engagement for that. And what you have to do, you have to put your affiliate link on the bio section of the Pinterest. You can repeat this. So you're going to repeat the same thing with that. You're going to put that link on the bio section of Instagram. All you have to do is find a content from TikTok, download it, and upload it in these two websites as Instagram Reels and Pinterest Idea Pin. So when you upload one or two videos every single day, you can get lots of engagement for that videos. From that, specific or targeted audience will click the affiliate link, and they sign up for this product, and you will make a passive income every single day. This is an affiliate marketing model with using free organic traffic to make a passive income. I hope you understand this make money online method. It is easy. You can do it. This method works worldwide. All you need is an affiliate product and the content, and you download it, upload it to other social medias. Even you can upload that into YouTube Shorts as a YouTube videos, and you can put the link on there, and you can make lots of money from these website, guys. Website like Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, I will generate free organic traffic for your affiliate link. So whenever people click this affiliate link, buy the product, you make a passive income. If you want to watch video like this ones in the future, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, I like these videos, or what kind of videos that you want to watch in the future. And that, have a good day. See you next video.